Now let's talk about our vocabulary portion. So first question, and the only question in vocabulary portion, is search the following words related to space science and astronomy in authentic source and then write the correct word in front of its meaning below. First is the beginning of a space flight. Yahan pe aa jayega launch. Second is attach self to another space vehicle. It means dock. Third is counting to 0 before launch. It's simple. It means countdown. Fourth is going around a planet. It's also very easy. It means orbit. Fifth is the force that all celestial bodies have, gravity. Sixth is when the space vehicle leaves the surf, liftoff. Seventh is using astronauts, not computers or animals, manned. Eighth is landing in the sea, splash down. We are done with vocabulary portion. Thank you.